In this video, we are going to learn how to install PHP. PHP is very important because most of the websites require PHP and running on PHP, and you are most probably going to use softwares, scripts like Wordpress or Joomla that requires PHP. So we are going to learn how to install PHP. To do that, we are going to use the same commands to install anything on operating system, a Linux operating system. You use the command apt-get 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 space -y install, and we need so many packages to be installed. That's why I'm not gonna type them one by one. I've already wrote them down in the text editor, and I'm simply going to paste them. I will also add them to the description so you can uh, copy these uh, package names and use them for your server. I have pasted the uh, packages name, and now it is installing all of those packages to our server. It has been installed. To check if we have successfully installed PHP or not, to do that we are going to make a test file inside the www folder, which is the default folder for all of the uh, publicly accessible HTML and PHP files. To do that, at the moment we are inside the root folder. Let's list all of the files. We need to go to this var folder where our www folder is located by default. To do that, use the cd command and var. Now we are inside var. Let's list the files. We can see our www folder is located here. Let's go inside the folder. We are now inside the folder. As you can see, at the moment we have the index.html. If we visit our website, which is at the moment the IP address, it looks something like this. We can edit the file from here, index.html. But at the moment we want to test the PHP. To do that, we are going to create a new PHP file. Type the nano, which is the text editor, and then the view info dot php, then enter. This is actually the default text editor in Ubuntu server. So we are going to add some PHP code so we can test the PHP. To do that, I'm going to add some basic PHP code. PHP info. This is to show the PHP software script info, and to save file we need to use the control plus O, and now it will ask us to give it a name. We have already mentioned it, view.info. Simply click enter, and to exit this in the nano editor we need to use the control plus X button. Now we are back in the command line. So before opening the file, we are going to restart Apache 2. To do that, use the command service and apache 2 restart, enter. We are now rebooted the Apache server. Now we are going to check if we have successfully updated or installed PHP. To do that, if you can remember, we created the file called viewinfo.php. Yes, we have successfully created the file. That means our PHP server has been installed on our server.